We will now learn the term Saved by the Bell. Have you guys heard of this term before? Have you guys used this?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Because I remember I used this before. Like when I was in grade school, okay, and it's time for recitation. So it's recitation time, it's reporting time. And I'm the next one. I'm next in line. And then all of a sudden the bell rang. So I was like, ooh, Saved by the Bell. I'm gonna be rescheduled for the next session. So pretty much that's what it means for me. It says here, the phrase is used, okay, in other setting mean that someone or something was saved by a last minute intervention. So right now, let us pronounce the term, shall we? Arvin, would you like to pronounce the term for us? Let's hear it first.
Yes.
Say, Saved by the Bell.
Okay, Arvin, we are gonna record this. You just have to repeat the term. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
In 3, 2, 1, go.
Saved by the Bell.
Let's see his result, guys. Let us see his result. And he got an excellent grade.
Perfect.
Yay! See, perfection.